No.
Shake your head. Is it in there?
Is it in your ear?
Is it in your ear?
Yes.
Is it in your ear?
Yeah, shake out your ear. Shake it
in
out.
Your ear? Shake your ear. Is it in your ear?
You gotta shake. You have to shake the train out of your ear. Shake hard. Gotta get it out.
Really hard.
The Roxbury moment there.
Kids are so much fun to torment.
Take it out. Yeah,
It'll
it's stuck in his
eventually
ear.
fall out. Trust me.
Okay.
James, get it back out of his ear.
Check for it again.
Yeah, get it out of his
Can
ear.
I check for it again? Can I see if it's behind your ear?
Lincoln, let James get it out.
Is it behind your ear?
You gotta get that out of your ear.
Ready? Whoa!
How do you do that?
Okay. Ready? 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 Is it there? Is it there? Ready? Good. Ready?
Train
Here we
go.
go. Here we go. Here.
Where'd it go?
Pull this up.
Yep. Ta-da!
Ready?
Do the
Ready?
ta-da!
Ta-da.